Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered if there are some really high-paying jobs out there that aren't the typical doctor or lawyer? Today, I'm going to blow your mind with 10 surprisingly high-paying jobs in 2024 that you probably never thought about. And trust me, some of these will make you question your life choices. Let's dive in. Number 1. Pipeline technician. All right, first up, pipeline technician. Now, this job might sound like something you'd only see in a Discovery Channel documentary. Someone working in the middle of nowhere, in the cold, but hey, it comes with a salary of up to $120,000 a year. So while you might get some oil stains on your clothes, your bank account will definitely stay clean. Number 2. SEO specialist. Imagine getting paid $80,000 to $100,000 a year to basically outsmart Google. That's right. As an SEO specialist, your job is to figure out the magic words that make websites rank higher. It's like playing detective, but for algorithms. Plus, you can totally tell your friends you're a search engine wizard. Sounds fancy, right? Number 3. Logistics coordinator. So you're basically a traffic cop, but for packages. And for that, you can earn up to $75,000 a year. No badge required. Just a lot of Excel sheets and maybe a few headaches when shipping delays happen. But hey, at least your paycheck will arrive on time. Number 4. Blockchain developer. Want to make $150,000 a year while sounding like a total tech genius at parties? Enter the world of blockchain development. If you can explain how blockchain works without anyone's eyes glazing over, you're not only smart, you're rich. Number 5. Data analyst. In a world full of data, businesses are like, help, we need someone to make sense of all these numbers. That's where you come in. Data analysts get paid up to $130,000 a year to basically be human calculators, but with better fashion sense. Number 6. Underwater welder. Okay, so welding stuff on land is cool, but doing it underwater, that's next level. It's like a scene from an action movie, except you're not saving the world. You're just getting paid $150,000 a year. You might want to practice holding your breath, though. Number 7. Social media manager. Who knew all those hours scrolling on Instagram could pay off? Social media managers are raking in $90,000 a year just for turning likes and shares into cold, hard cash. It's like being an influencer, but without the need for perfect selfies. Number 8. Game designer. All right, gamers, time to stop yelling at your screen and start making the games you love. Game designers can make up to $120,000 a year, creating the next big thing in gaming, so the next time your parents tell you to stop playing video games, just remind them it's research. Number 9. Cybersecurity specialist. With all the hackers out there, companies are desperate to hire cybersecurity specialists. If you've ever wanted to be a modern-day superhero without the cape, this is your chance. And for $130,000 a year, you can pretty much live out your James Bond fantasies from behind a computer screen. Number 10. Personal trainer. Finally, if you're that friend who's always at the gym and won't stop talking about it, why not get paid for it? Personal trainers can make $90,000 a year by helping others lift heavy things and do squats. Bonus points if you can say, "One more rep with a straight face." Who knew, right? These jobs might not have been on your radar, but now you've got a few new career paths to think about. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button so you can stay in the loop with more surprising facts and career tips. Catch you next time.